Here's the Bodum Bistro Electric Milk Frother, 10 ounces. It's been a great addition to our kitchen for making froth milk for coffee. Here's the on-off switch. Very easy to operate. As you can see, it's well built. The bottom of it this is where it connects into the base, where it conducts the heat and spins the milk. There's the label for your reference. So it's a little bit well worn in our house. We've used it a lot. And here's the base and then the label on the bottom. Here's the inside with the different levels. It's important that you fill it only to the center line, which is the maximum cold level. Above that, if you're putting in cold milk or some other additive, it's going to overflow. The heat element comes out easily. As you can see, there's a little bit of residue at the bottom. We haven't done any deep cleaning this week to get that off. It is a little tough to get that off, but with a good scrub brush, it'll come off. I'm going to fill it with some 2% milk to froth for my son's drink. I've filled it up to the second max line, the cold beverage max line. I'm going to turn it on. As you can see, the button illuminates when it turns on, and I will run this for you sped up. It took 2 minutes for this milk to heat up and be finished, and it may depend on how cold the milk is that you put in. So it's done now. I'm going to turn it off. As you can see, it has a nice velvety texture. I'm going to pour it into my son's coffee to make a mocha. We really enjoy this machine. As you can see, it gives you a nice textured drink. Cleaning it is super easy. I rinse it out basically a few times, and then I leave some water in the bottom of it. As you can see, there's still some residue in there. So what I do is I fill it with a couple inches of water, and then I add some dish soap and let it set for a couple hours before we really do a deep scrub on it. That's the Bodum Milk Frother review.